Hello everyone, Travis here, and on today's Revizto training session we're going to be covering the edit menu. So as I enter my Revizto project here, as you can see the edit menu is in the top left next to the project menu. And as I expand that, I get a list of project properties, scenes and scheduler, lighting and materials, visual effects, project optimization, and integrations. So if I click on project properties, you're going to see this is where you're able to change the name of your project. I'm also able to change the owner, and I'm able to change the image on that project. Next is our scenes and scheduler. This is where you're going to see all the different files that compose your Revizto model. As you can see here, I just have one Revit model in here. Your multiple files will show up right here. So if you have a Navis file or anything else, you can hover over that to see the full title of that model. I can also import new models here. This will be covered in another training session. I can set up my cloud synchronization to either be full sync or view only, and I can also turn off my synchronization scheduler here. So this is an abbreviated version of our scheduler. Going back, I can go up to lighting and materials. This is going to open a sub application of Revizto that is blue and not red. It's really important to note if you're ever having issues with something not opening because it's open elsewhere, it's likely because of this window over here open. And this is going to let you play around with some materials and illumination and different rendering techniques. Next is visual effects. So you can see here I have multiple options to turn on shadow, sketch mode, materials, and culling. Most importantly, this is where I'm actually able to manipulate a point cloud that I have saved in here. So I'm able to turn the size and the distance between points up and down. Next is project optimization. I'm able to turn the compression on the cloud up or down. If you go to maximum, you might lose some features, you might lose some textures and whatnot. So we recommend usually staying at standard. I can also optimize my textures for desktop, iPad, or I can just get rid of textures altogether. Last but not least, the last hope, the optimization button down here, is if your project is not acting correctly, this is a good button to switch on to kind of take care of this for you. So this is going to optimize everything, and it's going to make your cloud compression max. And our last option is our integrations. This is where you're going to set up any of your integrations with BIM 360, Box, or Procore. And we will have further training on that as well. And that concludes everything there is to know about the edit menu in Revizto. Have fun learning, and talk to you guys soon.